In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete scheduled email on Gmail. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm just going to go ahead and open up Gmail. Once it loads, I'll make sure I'm logged into my account, and now I'm looking at my main inbox view where all my emails are listed. From here, I'm going to move over to the left hand side where you see all the different sections like inbox, sent, drafts, and so on. Right now, I'm just going to click on mail to make sure I'm in the general mail view and everything is visible the way we expect. Once that's set, I'm going to look a little further down the same left sidebar. You should see a section labeled scheduled. This is where Gmail keeps all the emails that you've set to be sent later instead of immediately. So I'm going to click on scheduled, and now the view changes to show only those scheduled emails. You'll see a list here, and each one represents something that hasn't been sent yet but is queued up to go out at a specific time. At this point, I'm just going to pick one of these emails that I want to delete. I'll move my cursor over it so it's highlighted, and once I've decided which one to remove, I'm going to right click on it. That brings up a small menu with a few options. I'm going to look through that menu and find the option that says delete. Once I see it, I'll go ahead and click on delete. And just like that, the email disappears from the scheduled list. That means it's no longer going to be sent. So if you had something scheduled by mistake or you just changed your mind, this takes care of it right away. I'll just scroll a little bit here so you can see the rest of the list. And yeah, the one we deleted is gone. If you had more emails you wanted to remove, you just repeat the same thing, select it, right click and hit delete. Once that's done, you're all set. The scheduled email is removed and it won't go out anymore.